If you clicked on this video, then you want to know how you can run free Facebook ads to sell your physical products. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can create Facebook advertisings or Facebook adverts for free so that you can sell your physical product for free. If that is why you are here, you are in luck, because I will go to my screen now and I will show you step by step how you can create Facebook adverts for free. Let's go. So this is how to create free adverts on Facebook and other Facebook selling groups without paying any money. The first thing you need to do is to come to the Facebook marketplace, and this is a very important feature on Facebook that some persons neglect. So if you have your own product that you want to sell for free, you can create free adverts on Facebook here. You don't have to pay anything, it's completely free. If you want to help other people resell their products, the same thing, create an advert for free. You want to do drop shipping, the same, create an advert for free. If you even have your own personal items that you want to just resell, you can create your own advert for free. You do real estate, you do anything at all, you just want to sell to people, you can create free adverts on Facebook. So if you come to the Facebook marketplace, you find some things. These are some things that people have listed, all right, and you can come to the category right here, the categories, and you see the different categories on Facebook. Or you can just come here and say you want to sell, and then you can just publish your listings and start selling. If I click on my profile right here, I'll show you some of the listings I have, and I've been getting some very tangible traffic coming from Facebook for free. So so far I have 7 listings, and I'm going to list one more to show you how this is done. So this is going to be your commerce profile, which is the same thing as your own Facebook profile. Here, when people send you messages, this is where you are going to see it. This is your inbox, and this is your location. So you can change the location. If you have items that comes in different sizes, you can update the sizes here. So Facebook will be giving you insights how your adverts or your listings are doing, how many persons viewed it, how many clicks you got, and then you can equally add some quick actions. So down here now you now have these are for you. If you saved some things already, you can view them again. If you are following some sellers, you can come here and view them, and then these are the recent items you viewed, and you can now see your settings. All right, so for you to list, you just need to come here where it says create a listing, and then you tap on that. It's going to give you 3 options, which is items if you want to list regular items, if you want to list vehicles, or you want to list landed properties like houses or lands for sale or rent or lease, wherever. You can list these things on free using Facebook. You know, Facebook has a lot of followers, a lot of users, a lot of traffic, and people are coming to search Facebook just to find what to buy. So I want to list a microphone that I reviewed recently on my other YouTube channel. So I have a YouTube channel where I talk about gadget and some tech stuff. So if you have not subscribed, or you don't even know that I have this channel, this is a good time to know, and I'm going to put the channel link in the description of this video. So if you like stuff like that, you can just follow me and let's have fun. So I want to list one of the microphones that I got recently just to test, and then I am going to show you how this listing is done. So first I'm going to list it as an item, and then I need to select the photos. But before we select the photos, top here, this is how your listing is going to show. I'm going to show you how it shows after we finish creating the listing, but your name is going to be what is visible to the buyers. Your Facebook name is going to be what is visible to the buyer. So you can upload up to 10 photos and photos only. So I want to click on add photos, and I just select the 4 of these photos and I click next. It's important to have good photos because social media is heavily about visuals, so you need to have good photos or good videos, whatever you want to use, but right here you can only use photos. Now you come to the title, and the title is important too. You need to write your title the way people would be searching for your product, because basically everything these days is a search engine, and as the competition grows, these platforms, they need to make it simpler for people to find what they are searching for. And this is just basic SEO. You want to do some search engine optimization, so you just think of what people who would want to buy what you are selling would be searching for. So in this case, this microphone is a condenser microphone, so I just write a condenser microphone, and condenser. I can use tabletop microphone. All right, and I set the price. I'm just going to say 15,000 naira, and you see that it instantly picks microphones as a category. So here you can select the condition of the item, if it is still new, if it is used like new, if it is used good, if it is used fair. So it's just arranged. New simply means that it's brand new. Used like new means it's not completely new, but it's still like new, so my microphone should fit into right there because I've not even used it. I just unboxed it. So the third one is you've used it, is not very new but it's still good. And then fair is not very good but it's fair, so I'm just going to use like new. And then I come down here, I write the description, best quality, tabletop condenser microphone. So you just write good product details for your prospective buyer. So it says here, a detailed description might help you sell faster. It always does. When people are searching and you provide them the answers to what they are searching for, they will most likely buy from you. So you can see the location here. You can edit the location. I don't want to edit the location. And then you can add more details like the brand, if it has Bluetooth, if it is wireless. These things are going to come depending on the kind of product you are going to sell. So if you are selling a car, it's going to be asking you about the car mileage, the condition of all these things about cars. If you are selling a phone, it's going to be asking you the storage, the camera, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So this is because I listed it as a microphone. So right here you can hide this from your friend. So if for some reasons you don't want your friends to just see that you have something like this or that you are selling something like this, you can just turn this on. So if you turn it on, it simply means that your friends will not be seeing this post anywhere. All right, but if you don't care about your friends, you just want to sell and make money, which is completely legal, then you can just turn it off. So if you turn it off, you can list it in more places, more groups that you are a member of. So you can just check these groups. These are some of the groups that I've joined, so you can just check them, and this item will equally be listed on these other groups. All right, but for you to do this, you must make sure that this thing is turned off. It's turned off. So if I turn it on now, I want to list it across, you can see that I cannot list it because I turned it off. All right, so you do what you want to do and you should be fine. So you come here where you have additional listing options. You want to tell them if this is an item that has different variables but of variants. We don't have anything like that, so you can add tags here, and let's say tags simply means like what your product is about. So I'm just going to say my product is under microphones or audio recording, stuffs like that. And so you want to list this item as a single item or as in stock. If you have these things in stock, you just check in stock. Since it's a one-off, mine is a one-off, I'm just going to say is a single item. So here you want to check if people can meet you publicly, or if they can pick up from your store or your house or wherever, or if you can deliver it to them. So I'm just going to check all of them because all these options are available for whoever is interested. And once you are done with this, all you have to do is come here where it says next, and then you just hit publish, and then your product listing is going to be listed. As you can see, it's publishing and it is now active. All right, so let's view it and see what we've created. So if you view it, you can see that our listing is still in review, and Facebook is going to review it and make sure that what we've listed is allowed, and then it doesn't take that long and they will approve it. So if you've done everything right, it's going to be approved. As you can see, it is still in review. So let me show you what happens when it becomes approved. Let's say we wanted to buy this car. You can just check the car. This is exactly how your own advert is going to come up. All the informations you've provided will be here, and right here the person can easily just send you a message and say, hello, I want to buy this car, or hello, what is the best price of this car? And the message will come to you directly, and you are going to get a notification for this message, and you can reply them and continue your transactions from there. So you can see all the information, and like I said, this is the seller information. This is going to be your Facebook name and your Facebook profile. People can equally follow you, or they can come here and see your details. They can see that you are also a member of Tokumbo and Used Cars. I'm actually saying this because I'm equally a member of this group. So this is the thing, one of the things I have in common with this guy. So they can see all your other listings. These are the recent listings that this guy has made on Facebook. So this is basically how you can list your product for free on Facebook Marketplace, and then start making sales completely free. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Even if you don't like videos like this, just share it to somebody that you think would find it useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.